So on this Monday Night Football, we have a decent matchup for you.
Monday for the stars, man. That's where we make our name at right here.
And these are the moments that we work for right here. Play together, play fast. When the ball comes away, make a play.
Hey, it's the perfect opportunity for us to tap into our best self. It's time for us to play for each other and be all in every play.
No more talk, no more superlatives. Enough is enough. Let's kick this bad boy off. And Harrison Butker agrees.
Looks right, sprints right. Now he'll keep the ball and trot into the end zone. Touchdown! A 75-yard touchdown drive against this vaunted Raven defense. Sprint on action. They shovel it into the sausage. Touchdown! Kansas City! An inside shovel pass. Williams are going to throw a corner pattern for Tyreek Hill. Reaches up and grabs it. Touchdown! Burning Marcus Peters for the second time tonight.
Just throw me up, boy. I told you.
He's a dumb ball receiver. He's a dumb ball receiver.
Throw me up, man. Throw me up. Throw me up.
Deep throw down the middle. Hardman wide open. Touchdown! Kansas City. A 49-yard bomb on 3rd and 14.
Way to go. Get it, man.
Chiefs by 17. Jackson to throw. He's hit. The ball is out and picked up by Kansas City. Sack Nation attacks. Lamar Jackson.
Hey, we got the best pass rush in the league.
Take a handoff, short roll, throwback, left, wide open, Eric Fisher! The fish jumps out of the pond! Chiefs of time dominant in this game, and they get the victory, 34-20 over the Baltimore Ravens. And Kansas City makes a statement tonight.